Hi, I'm Diana and I love red lipstick. It's a perfect holiday party look, but since I wear it so often, I want to find a way to dress it up. So the answer is what I call the 3D lip. That's lipstick, lip gloss, and glitter. I'm going to show you how to get that look. First, you start with lipstick. Apply as you would normally, whether that's with a lip brush or straight out of the bullet. You could stop here if you wanted to, but the fun of the 3D lip is adding an extra layer. You could do clear gloss, but I'm gonna use something with a little bit more pigment just because it really makes the red come out and gives it that three-dimensional effect. All right, while your gloss is still wet, now's the time to apply the glitter. I'm using red, again, to make it look three-dimensional, but you could use any shade you'd like. I'm putting a little in my palm, and then I'll use my finger to dab it on from there. I started by applying it to the center of my lips and diffusing it outward, but now I'll add another layer for extra impact. And there you have it, a glittering lip look that will be right at home at any holiday party.